And the whole point. Just to have a look at this. Because it's missing this, which is around here somewhere. Okay, I should probably tidy up, but just need to stick that on there. So first things first, it's obviously been welded before. Need a really good V down here. Probably just do this side. I don't want to weaken that by cutting into it. I'll grind that shiny and then just cut into there, and then on the other side that you can't see, put a V notch. You can see it. Yeah. We're all friends here. And oh my god. Oh yeah. And this one as well. But I can V that out and across there. I might just leave those. So the plan would be, I guess, really seriously cut that side back and weld it in. And then I can V that out. I can just cut that right down to the top of this bottom weld, so that it's fully welded all in there. I don't know how important that is. I guess if you're going to do it, you might as well do it. And then I can just cut into it until I hit the weld, and just fill it up and then grind it back. I don't think I'm going to do it here, so let me have a think about where I'm going to do it. Probably outside. Okay, let's get this started. The most dangerous tool in the shop. Present company accepted. 9-inch. Absolutely horrible. Let's see. Suitable for grinding. It is a cutter. It's supposed to be a cutter. It's a cutting disc suitable for grinding. So should be able to do both. Ugh. Come on. That is hard work. That is hard work. So I can get a weld down into there. Let's have a look. See where we're at. Okay. So. What are you looking at? Oh, you're looking at this. So, and then as I say, I'm going to come get to it from the other side as well. Alright, let's keep going. So I need a bit more of this, but I can actually just take that off, can't I think. If I could hold it there, I'd grab... Oh, hello. It's not terrible. So it's at an angle, but what I want to do is get down to at least the bottoms of these bolts. Slightly easier bit. All of that. Just a little bit. But cleaner the better. That should be alright. Still sort of locks in place. I might tack that first, then I can get to that actually really easily when it's together, probably easier. I think that's it. Clamp it up, weld it. Let's get a bit of that, take a bit of that edge off. Maybe a bit off of that as well. Ooh. Looks like a bloody workout. Oh, I'm going to wobble you a bit. Oh. Again, take a little bit off of there, just while we're here. It's actually quite noisy, isn't it? So, I'm not sure if that's probably not thick enough. Well, it's not deep enough. But as I say, I can get into it later. I'm using 4mm electrodes, so I need actually quite a bit of space. I think that's enough to get me started on this side. Let's do it. Oh, slight delay for me at this end. I had to put that end on here and make myself a stinger, because very nice chap off the forum was throwing these away, and they should be okay for this application. Feel like they're 4mm. I don't think I've used 4mm before. This is low hydrogen whatever that means. Probably the best rods in the shop. It's not a shop, it's a shed. Ooh, pretty. So, thanks to a very kind forum member, I now have my incredible welding rod. But I've never used this particular This is my big TIG, my Kempi 250. Now, I've not used it for stick before, but there's a single switch. You stick it on stick. Make sure it's not on. It's not on. And get in there and do. First thing I'm going to do is tack it. My first practice is going to be about there. I've got to remember lots of things. Stuck. It's on there. That's a big rod. I'm up to 180 amps, which I've not used before, but below that it didn't want to do anything. And there's enough smoke in here. Oh, yeah, that'll do. There's enough smoke in here now. Actually, so it started off there and then I managed to get something on here. This was very low amps, so I might need to grind that out. All this is probably going to get ground out. These are just tacks. But then this one was at 180 amps and wow, that's in, you know. So just reorganize this, remembering to turn everything off before I move anything around. I think I just want to get down into there. I'm not going to be able to record it, thank goodness. But you just have to take my word for it. I'm getting really good at this. Really good. You just have to believe me. Well, the proof of the pudding. I'm going to get a stool and get myself comfortable and come back when I've got some pictures.